from Buckeye Girls Lifestyle, and this month was voted to be Christmas in July. And today is Let's Get It Done hosted by my friend, The Prathard Life, and please check out the playlist in the description box. Today I will be making my favorite side for Thanksgiving and Christmas. Okay, now we are going to get 3 cups of grapes. And first of all, I just pull them off these. And you can slice these. I'm going to probably just run mine through the chopper. With my allergies and I hurt my arm, I just kind of don't feel like standing and chopping up a bunch of stuff right now. But I got all this produce that I need to get out of the refrigerator. Because this house is pretty much an ingredient house. We have the stuff to make stuff. So we gotta use what we have. Yeah, I hurt my shoulder this week, so kind of makes doing things hard. And of course, it's my right hand. Always. Okay, 1 cup of pecans or walnuts. And we want to chop those up. Chop them up as fine as you like. My mom used to put hers in a blender. But I think, we all have teeth. We can handle a little bit. Mom always did her Waldorf salad a little different than a lot of recipes calls for. They called for mayonnaise and honey and all this stuff. She didn't do all that. And I don't either. I make it pretty simple, and we all like it this way. Well, it's the only way she ever fixed it, so I guess we didn't have much choice, did we? But here's what we did. One cup of walnuts or pecans. Well, I chose pecans because I had a full package and they were right up front. And kind of toss those. I decided not to chop those grapes. They're not very big anyway. We'll be able to handle it, I think. And now all she did was add whipped cream. And my husband didn't get this out like I asked him. So it's good. It might be a little froze. And sometimes she would add a teaspoon of cinnamon to hers. And other times she wouldn't. She normally do the cinnamon in the fall. So sometimes she'd add a teaspoon of cinnamon and other times she wouldn't. So that's up to you too. Because I know there's some of us that cinnamon, it just gives us a heartburn, something awful. So they'd prefer to skip it. So. But this is our simple Waldorf salad. And you could add a hint of lemon juice if you wanted to. Mine normally don't last long enough to need it, but there's the Waldorf salad.